Alright, so hi all. This is my Jeep project. Yeah, the whole thing started because I had a little bit of minor rust to take care of. Of course, that was with all the plastic fairings and stuff on. So this is the result so far. Yeah, all that stuff is new metal that I've had to replace, and all underneath. So I had to replace, as you can see, where all the welds are. Yeah, that whole corner was like not there at all. It was gone. Same thing with underneath here. All of that had to be replaced. And now I'm going to be doing that. I'll show you in a second. So had a couple of little spots here on the floor. Yeah, well, when I ground down all the metal, there was like nothing left for me to attach anything to, so I had to pull most of it off, and this is what I am about to weld in. As you can see, it's just nothing but a giant hole. I Flintstoned it, but before I put it all back together, I knew I wasn't taking the body off the frame, so any part that I couldn't get at when it was all finished, I derusted and primed it and painted it with Rust-Oleum flat black, except for that little prime spot right there, which I'm about ready to drill some holes through so that I can attach this. Those are the holes. I have this little kit here that I got from Eastwood for another project that I was doing. These things are like almost liquid gold at this point. Well, not liquid gold, but this is almost gold at this point. These are going to hold this whole thing in while I go weld it all in together. Hold it all nice and tight together. So anyways, we did the outside, and this is all the inside stuff that I had to do. All around here, all that little piece up there, and that corner. Most of it was fabricated, all but this part here, which was part that I got from the internet. It was all ready to go. The only thing I had to do was drill the hole, weld the nut on the inside of that for my seatbelt setup, and of course there's the inside, all that stuff. You can tell where I welded it. Yeah, because don't get on my case because it's I'm not a welder. All right. Some of this stuff was professionally done, but let me tell you, the supposedly professional done, there's got to be between 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch of Bondo right here, and it's like carries throughout the entire panel all the way up through here. I ground down that a little bit. I mean, that's not even metal. That's all plastic. So and here, so after I get finished with that, one of the previous owners decided they wanted to cheaply rhino line it because it was cheaper to do that than to paint it, and well, they used a roller, and you can tell where the roll marks are. It's just crappy. So as you can tell from the other pictures and the roll cage, the roll bar here, the original color of this is jewel blue, so I went and I bought some paint for jewel blue. I'm going to put it back to that color. So that's it for now. I'm actually trying to put my GoPro together because I can't figure out what it is, the password is for it. But anyways, I'm going to stop for now. I got to set the welder up. I got to actually drill some holes underneath this. They're 1/8 inch holes, so that I can put these little thingies in, and I'll show you a video when it's all done, and we'll go from there. Alright, so hang on. I'm not going to show you me drilling holes into this thing. I've already bored you enough, so alright, I'll be back.